The national anthem says, I rise on my throne, Nigeria's home, to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith. Their labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and mind, one nation bound in freedom, peace and unity. Be seated.
And a development practitioner. After her secondary school education at the Federal Government Girls College, Buari, Abuja in 2002, she proceeded to the University of Ilorin for her Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, MBBS, between 2003 and 2010. Thereafter, she worked at different times at the Horizons Medical Center, the Arewa Specialist Hospital, and Lisa Premier Hospital, Abuja, before her appointment as the Senior Special Assistant to the Kwara State Governor on Health Matters in July 2019, and 1987, respectively. He began his professional journey in 1982 as an assistant lecturer in the College of Advanced Studies, Zaria, and continued and hands-on leadership style. This young Nigerian has made significant strides in his active participation in the government of Kaduna State from 2015 to 2023. The minister-designate has attended several developmental and leadership courses.
Protect and defend the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So shall we do. I, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as a minister and I will discharge my duties faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of Nigeria, as may be declared with the due discharge of my duties as a minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.